Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my two simple delicious bread sandwich recipe that I can easily make at home. So sit back and enjoy. So I have one boiled egg. I'll be dividing it into two in order to separate the yolk from the egg white. So I'll gently mash the yolk using a fork. I'll also be cutting the egg white into smaller chunks, then set aside as well. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise to the yolk. I'll also be seasoning it up using a little pepper and a pinch of salt to taste. Then mix everything together till I achieve a creamy consistency. I'll also be transferring the chopped egg whites, then mix everything one more time before setting aside. So guys, this is the bread I'll be using. I'll go ahead and cut the bread. You can choose to cut the bread to any thickness of your choice. So I'm making use of 2 of the bread slices now. I'll go ahead and cut the edges. Okay, it's all done. So I'll be placing our creamy egg on one side of the bread and just spread it just so it can cover the entire bread surface. For more heat, I'll be adding little pepper flakes, then cover with another bread. So guys, let's cut through to see what we have. And our first bread sandwich recipe is pretty much ready. This recipe really tasted so good. So for the second recipe, I'll be cracking 1 egg into my pan without mixing. I'll also be adding a little butter to it, then turn on my heat to low. So I'll just keep mixing the egg till it forms. Remember, I'm actually using a very low heat. So at this stage, I'll slightly season up everything using a pinch of salt and pepper flakes. Then mix everything together for 1 extra more minutes before taking it off from the heat. So next, I'll drizzle my pan with little vegetable oil, then place 1 bread slice and allow it to toast. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. All you just need to do is to keep moving your bread as I'm doing till it browns up, but you need to keep checking at interval just so you don't end up with a burnt toasted bread. So I'll be repeating the same process for another bread slice. So our toasted bread is ready. So I'll be spreading butter on one side of the bread. I'll also be placing the fried eggs on it. Then top it up with some banana slice. You can choose to use other fruits like cucumber, avocado, just any fruit of your choice. So guys, let's cut through to see what we have. This recipe really hits well because the bread has a crunchy nature because I actually toasted it. So let me know in the comment section which of these recipes you'll be trying first. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.